shimmery sequins and beautiful tulle. A crown adorned with golden seashells, bling, and luxurious pearls. A clam bra with diamond accents and beautiful pearls. Can anyone guess what my Halloween costume is? Hey guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. So tonight I'm going to a costume party and I had to hurry up and like come up with a costume. I was like, what am I gonna make? I didn't want to go out and spend a ton of money, especially for something I'm only gonna wear a few hours. So I decided I'm gonna do a DIY mermaid costume. So everything that you see costs about $20 total to make, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so first what we're gonna do is take our Krylon all-in-one fusion spray paint. You don't have to do this, but just to cover quickly because I'm short on time, we're spraying it with this rubbed oil bronze. Alright guys, so next we're gonna go over with spray paint, and I think I'm gonna use this one next. These are Mackenzie shells. Check them out. But anyway, these are the this is Krylon foil metallic gold. I really like this one. It leaves like gold little like sparkle effects and things. Guys, so you're starting to see that this crown doesn't even look like it came from the Dollar Tree. I got the seashells from Hobby Lobby, and right now I'm just arranging the seashells just so I can create a beautiful little headpiece. So just have fun with it. Place the seashells in cute little patterns all over, and it's just really going to create a beautiful effect overall. It kind of fell apart, so we added a whole lot more. Now I'm just gonna go over it with this gold spray paint. So just because your Halloween costume is last minute doesn't mean it has to look that way. So that's why I kind of took my time doing this DIY shell crown. Now right now what I'm doing is adding some bling trim. This came from Hobby Lobby. It's only $1.59. You can also pick it up at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just laying it in different directions on the crown. That way when I move throughout the room, it sparkled and shine. And a shell blinged out crown is just a gorgeous way to complete this mermaid look. So don't skip this part. It's so worth it. So guys, the struggle was absolutely real with trying to create the mermaid skirt. I got the fabric from Hobby Lobby. I only picked up a yard of fabric, and I had zero plan as to what I was going to do. Since this is a budget-friendly costume and that I didn't want to sew anything, I knew I was going to be hot gluing, and I knew the fabric was kind of see-through, so I wrapped it around my body as tightly as I could, and then I just hot glued it literally to my body. And to me, that was just the easiest way to go. I didn't feel like breaking out my sewing machine. I didn't have time for all of that. And I wore that green pencil skirt underneath it so that it wasn't see-through. And it worked out perfectly. So I just put hot glue in a few places, and when I took the skirt off, I knew where to finish hot gluing. So I just hot glued down the side and cut off the excess fabric. Okay guys, so in order to figure out how long you want the tulle to be at the bottom of your skirt, what you'll need to do is while you're wearing the skirt, take the tulle, drop it to the floor, and then cut it, and then you'll know exactly how long you want it to be. You don't want it to be too long because you don't want it to drag on the floor to the point where you'll trip on it and stuff like that. And don't worry, if you do end up cutting it too long, you can always go back at the end and trim it. So this part is really easy. Just take hot glue and you're gonna put lines all at the bottom of the skirt. Now this is gonna be extremely hot, guys, so be careful as you press the tulle into the hot glue. To give this skirt some more dimension, I went back and added some of this lighter blue tulle in there, and it really gave the skirt like a beautiful, cool effect. So do not press thumbs down. I know this video says no sewing last minute Halloween costume, but understand guys, I was really in a rush and I did not want to glue this stuff onto a good bra. So what I did was I used a needle and thread to do a couple of stitches to adhere not only the clamshells to the front of the bra, but also the little gold ribbon to the strap. So I just thought it was a great way to give the bra a different look without actually damaging the bra. But if you're okay, you have an old bra that you aren't using anymore, you can hot glue this stuff straight to the bra with no problem. Guys, so here is the final look. I cannot believe that this costume turned out so incredibly cute. All of the details, I got hot glue everywhere. All of the details of the costume turned out really cute. I got my seashell on a little crooked, but that's okay because I was pressed for time. Just have a few little things I need to touch up with a hot glue gun. But guys, even this bra, like, wasn't that such a good idea? Because in the morning, I can literally just cut all the strings. My bra isn't damaged. I didn't have to go out and buy a new bra. The crown turned out absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna turn it around. Look at the details on the crown. The crown is simply fabulous, okay? Can you believe that my full Halloween costume was less than $20? I'm so excited. I hope that I have a ton of fun tonight, guys. And so if you're looking for a last minute Halloween costume, I definitely recommend you to do this cute mermaid look. If you don't want to be exposed as I am, you could easily just get like a tan or brown or nude colored cami to match your skin tone, and then you could easily just make little seashells for your bra as well. So guys, loving this costume. I'm super excited. Y'all wish me luck. I hope that I win tonight. The only thing I did to accessorize was, of course, I did my makeup. So I decided to do like pink kind of blushy makeup. I have a little pearl choker with bling, and I just have my little Cartier Love bracelet, a little ring with a pearl accent, and that's about it. So anyway guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.